so I am on my way back home from Joanna's, and I was staying there for a little bit because apparently my mom was like, hey, severe weather storm where I am right now, and I don't recommend coming back at this time. I was like, okay, so I gave it about an hour, because I looked at the forecast and I saw that it passed like at 4 or 5. It's 5 right now, so, and I'm pretty much like halfway back. And just looking at the storm right there, like dark clouds, I'm pretty sure that's a wall of rain on the right side. So I may or may not be screwed. I'm gonna vlog this though, just in case, you know, something does happen. I'm really hoping nothing happens. But if it starts raining, like downpouring or something, then hopefully I can find a bridge to sit under until it passes. But I believe it should either already be passed or should be passing. I don't know, but y'all are coming along to ride with me, so buckle up. It's gonna be an interesting ride.
This time, wish it wasn't a case of this time. Doesn't need a hand in love, someone that I would trust. But how did I fail to give you all the love that you deserve?
This is great. This is fun. This is awesome. This is amazing.
She got the gold hoops, proud of it. I'm in love with all of it. Ex-boy didn't get the picture, cut him out of it. I fall pretty hard, never really get far. You make everyone look like they aren't anyone. I haven't felt a thing this year. Yeah, I've never seen something quite like you.
I don't know what to do anymore. I think I just gotta say fuck it and go through. 14 minutes away with all this fucking traffic. Like, I'm not that far, but jeez. Alright, well, time to go get wet, you know? It's always a great time. Alright, time to get wet. Best thing I can do is listen to music in this shitty ass time, so let's go.
Like me, same type, cancels every date night, stays home, never like you. I try to look away, but something's in the way. I think I'm going blind, I hope it doesn't change.
Ah! Ow, it fucking hurts! Dude, it feels like, oh my god, it feels like hell. quite literally feels like hail. Plus I'm wearing a white, dude, I'm wearing a white shirt with a white sweatshirt. Bro, my nips are probably out. Hey bro, no free pics, alright? No free pics. I don't consent. Damn, it's getting worse. Bro, these raindrops are like fucking paintballs. Oh my god. Ah! Ow! Holy shit! God, it hurts so bad! Are my nips out, bro? No, I don't think they are. I think we're chilling. I think the sweatshirt's just a bit thick. Like you can't see through to see my nips. So I think we're good. Well, I think the rain has slightly calmed down, so that's good. It's a good sign. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, buddy. It's dry on this part. I'm freezing cold now. Alright, well now the mission is get fucking dry. That's funny. I'm sure if I wait under that bridge maybe like another 20 minutes or so, then all of that little freaking rainstorm would have been past. Oh man. Man, it's pretty cold.